guys, I'm Miss Garcia, also Gabrielle Garcia from South Grand Prairie High School, and today we're going to learn about RNA. This is a biology/chemistry lesson, so if any of y'all are currently taking it, it may just help you. But right now I'm going to pass out these papers to y'all, and as I'm passing them out, I'm going to ask y'all a couple questions. Do any of y'all know anyone that has passed from cancer or currently has cancer?
Yes.
Yes? Alright. So with this lesson, it actually helps doctors figure out if you can give them the formula to defeat cancer and also HIV. Alright. So now, as you can see on your paper, it does have a barcode and activity 1 and activity 2. We're going to do 2 lessons today. One is going to be a virtual lesson, and the next one is going to be a very hands-on lesson, but we'll get more into that. For now, we're going to watch a video over what you're going to be doing today with your iPad, and I'll tell you when you can get them out. All right, now on your paper there is a barcode. If you want to go ahead and scan that for me. I did leave some directions for y'all, the 1 through 5 directions. You can go ahead and read those if y'all like reading directions rather than me talking about it. So once you scan it, it should bring you to PBS Learning Media, and then it should say launch. You're gonna press the blue purplish box with white letters in there that say launch. And then once you're there, if you mind giving me a thumbs up so I know how many people have gone in there. Are you good? Yeah? Alright. Now once we're there, it should say welcome. You should click the X or a K. For some it's different. Now once you get there, you're going to press the basic intro. Alright. Now once you click the basic intro, I'm going to leave you play that for 5 minutes. So that way you can get the feel of it. Also, if you need help understanding the game, I'm going to borrow it. On the back of your paper, I did label the colors so you understand what is what. And if you still need help after that, remember that the blue and the red are in a relationship, happily married, can only be together. And the yellow and white on your paper are divorced and they can't be together at all. Can't even be in the same room. Everybody get it? And the green is learning how to self-love. Loves itself. And while you're playing, I'm currently passing out baggies full of things. This is going to be for the next activity, so don't even mind it. Just keep playing your game.
I think it's changed that to yellow.
I'm gonna read it. All right, guys, you got a 1-minute warning, and then we're going to switch over to the second activity. Guys, how did everybody like the game? Is it kind of good? Kind of fun? All right. All right. Now we're going to move on to activity 2. So if y'all mind putting away your iPad, please. Alright, now everybody got a baggie, right? I didn't miss anybody. Everybody? Alright, so on the paper, on the other side, it has how many materials of each thing you can have. Where all the directions are, where it says activity 2. Where the tacks are, instead of 6 yellow tacks, you have 3. It should be the correct number except for the yellow and the white. You should have 2 white and 3 yellow. Does everybody have that? Everybody good? Alright. Alright, now from this is what we're going to make. So you got to be careful not to screw. Alright, so from here, then we're going to make our own RNA. That's what we're doing out of this. So from this, you're going to get your tube, you're going to put it straight, don't bend it yet. And then if you want, you can dump out all your tags, or you can get it one by one. Depending on how you want to do doesn't matter. And for activity 2, the directions are on the paper. Like I said, in case you are a reader and you want to go by yourself with it. So from this, we're just gonna stick them randomly in there. But try not to put any of the same colors side by side, like the blue and red. Try not to put it side by side. Try and put them on opposite ends.
All around it.
Yeah, all around. Sorry guys, yeah, make sure you're doing it all around and not just in one straight line. Sorry, my bad guys.
We mixed those.
Yes.
Come on.
You probably don't want to press, but yeah. Mix it up a little bit.
There you go.
Does the majority have their tags put in yet? Or we still need a little bit more time? Okay. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. It's okay if you're behind, just keep putting the tags in. But for now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go based on our pictures, and the back of our paper is our little cheat sheet, right guys? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put blue and red together. We're gonna bend it together. So I'll do my blue and red right here, and I'm gonna bend it this way. Now there's gonna be a little bit of space in between them because they're not gonna perfectly hit each other, but you should know what direction they wanna go in.
Oh, it gotta be a blue.
And it doesn't have to be the one right next to each other. So if you want to, you can go ahead and bend it all the way over. It's just how you want to make it. This is your own unique RNA. So everybody got your blue and red connected? Alright. Now remember you have 2 blue and red, so you got to connect both of them. Now from that, we're going to move on to our self-love, and we're going to connect the 2 greens.
So young. They gave me that red.
So the first one was red,
Yeah.
green, red, blue.
Alright, so this is what it should look like. He has his 2 green and his blue and red and blue and red. Like I said, they didn't connect perfectly, but that's okay. It's not gonna connect perfectly, guys. Everybody got it? Y'all need help?
Yeah. My 2 green are right there. How am I supposed to do that?
Now we gotta take a lot of brain power. Right.
I need to make myself
Alright, anybody else need help? Is everybody getting it? Alright guys, so how do we feel? How do we feel about our personal RNA? I feel like it's kinda unique, kinda different. Alright, now, does everybody understand what each tag represents and how they go together?
Yes.
Yes? Did my divorced couple really help them?
Yes.
Alright, now, like I said, or if you're feeling lazy, you can just stick your whole thing in there. You don't have to take the tags out. Whatever you're feeling though.